Hello YouTube, so let's make this stir fry spaghetti. Let's get it. So guys, we'll be jumping straight into this video. Here I have my green bell peppers, my red, yellow, all the bell peppers, my sliced onions, I have my shrimp, I have my cut chicken, I have my garlic and ginger, I have my fruit, my vegetables, the carrots and the peas and all of that, and I also have my boiled spaghetti laying down there waiting for me. So here in this pan I'm going to be putting in this avocado oil in it. Yeah, I know we jumped right straight into this video because I don't want to waste anybody's time, so and I am excited. So I'm going to be cooking my chicken first of all. I'm going to be cooking that first because in all the things I have here, it's like the one that needs to get done first because it's chicken, right? Okay. So guys, yeah, welcome back to my channel. It's Cook with Ada here, and of course we are going to be making this stir fry spaghetti that I just thought of in my head. Yes, many things I just think of in my head and I decide to cook it, and of course it turns out great all the time. So yeah, we are going to be doing this today. So yeah, and if you're new on here, welcome. Just feel free to join and click on that subscribe button down there and click on the notification bell as well, so you get notified each time I post any new video. And don't forget to share my page, my videos. Don't forget to leave your comment in the comment section down, and don't forget to like this video, subscribe, whichever one. Just share my videos. Thank you. So here we are going to be adding in the shrimp around and cooking that as well with the chicken. So once that is done, we are going to be taking it out of the pan. I'm going to be putting that in a plate. Now I'm going to be adding another oil, and I'm going to be frying my onion in this one, and then I added a little bit of the sesame oil, and I'm going to be frying my onion in it. After frying the oil a bit, I'm going to be adding all my green, red, and yellow bell peppers. I'm going to be adding that in and frying them for a bit as well. And don't forget, I'll be leaving everything down in the description box, so you can check that out for everything that you need. Then I'm adding in my garlic and ginger in here. So I'm going to be leaving everything in the description box down the measurements and everything. Even though honestly, I won't lie, I barely cook with, like, it's not everything I cook with measurements. I just freestyle it. Maybe because I'm already used to cooking and knowing what to do and eyeballing it and all of that. But that doesn't mean I don't know about measurements and giving the accurate measurements, and what, like, I can literally look at it and say, okay, I put in 2 tablespoons of oil and all of that. So that's, by the way, you will see everything in the description box. So right here, I'm going to be adding in my soy sauce. This one is the light soy sauce, not like the dark soy sauce. Then I'm going to be adding in some oyster sauce. Here I'm going to be putting in this Thai chili powder. That's what they call it. I usually get that from what's it called? Namhai. Yeah. And then I think they had it at Walmart or Sam's or somewhere. My onion powder. Also going to be adding in my curry powder. And this is the Knorr chicken powder that I usually use. I just love the taste of it in almost everything that I cook. I really love using it, so I'm going to be adding that as well. And then I'm going to go ahead and add in the, why do I keep calling it? Okay, the vegetables. Mixing everything in, this is just such goodness. Then we are going to be pouring back the chicken and the shrimp that we cooked separately earlier on, and then after that I'm going to be adding back in the spaghetti and stirring that, mixing everything in. Ooh. You guys, this tasted so good. It's just so amazing. So good, so good, so good. Yes, it did. So now we are going to be dishing this out, and this yummy goodness. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and you can lick your screen as usual. I hope you guys try this out and let me know in the comment section if you did. Leave a comment down below, and don't forget to like this video, share this video, subscribe if you haven't done that already, and I'll definitely be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye.